Hey everyone, this is Ham with TradeBot Secrets. This is day 18 of our trading journal. It looks like it's pretty sideways. Let's go ahead and take a look and see what's going on. Alright, there it is, guys. Let's kind of zoom in a little bit. A lot of sideways action, but we are entered. Let's kind of zoom in a little bit over here. We are entered around 102,000, right below this wick on the last candle, this green candle here. Today's candle is a little small, not much price action going on, but I think we did pick up a little bit of a position, and our current value is up to $2,000, unrealized $28. That's okay. We did close a little order out here when this wicked up, and that is on $11 right there. I think that was today's the 13th. Last night I believe. Was it last night or yesterday? Or maybe it did. No, it didn't close yesterday. I think we just filled an order yesterday. There you go. Or today, the 14th. So we filled a little extra $500 order, 0.004, and that came down, wicked. Now we've already reset the ladder, so we wicked down again. We'll pick some more positions down here. It'll bring the profit line up a little bit, but at least we're still on the bottom of this trend. Looks like it's wedging, it's tightening up a little bit, so it might get less and less volatile, and then either break up or down. Of course, we all know that, so we just have to anticipate when and where. So let's go and take the and I want to give a shout out to RT Monroe who joined my vault. Thank you so much. Every little bit helps with the DCAing. If you guys are all interested in joining the vaults, link in the description below, and we'll be able to do a long-term, low leverage, no leverage, uh, high yield checking account for you. So if your checking account's not making much, throw in here. If you put it in there, I earn some yields for you. Great. And then use it like a checking account. If you need to withdraw, no problem, no biggie. Pull it in, pull it out. Uh, call it the bank, the bank that pays a higher yield. So this is the safe money. We don't want to put this high risk. If I have any other expenses I want to use, or instead of paying your credit cards, I'd say, which is what I've done. I pay the minimum on the credit card, and I could pay off my credit card with my balance, but I'm making more here than pay my credit card, so it's actually become an asset. So until the day, if this somehow, I don't know, we're in the bear market, I think we'll still do well in the bear market because it's constantly getting out within 5% and then taking on more positions over time. It wouldn't make sense to just stuff it here, let the high yield chicken out do its thing. If you need to pull out for money, pull out for money. Even if you're taking profits from your trading, stick it in here to keep it safe. And don't I'm not gonna leverage. So even if it tanks hard, we're just gonna keep dollar cost averaging. We're gonna start building and accumulating. Okay, so yeah. So I also have my trading account is actually an Aave. This is my Aave account. I'm a little highly leveraged there, 6.9. Been borrowing, paying bills too, and doing what I need to do, and then eventually I'll take money out of here and stick into the bot. But at this moment, I am paying bills with it, okay, and actually refinancing other credit cards and whatnot to pay that off to kind of keep it here, okay, because I know it's gonna. I'm waiting for that pop, and so this is where my pop's gonna be, okay. So that way, since I'm like sitting here not leveraging, I might be missing out on Bitcoin if it pumps, right? So I'm gonna take care of that right there, okay. And of course, when it pumps, I have to sell because I'm leveraged. So it's the grown-up musical chair game that we're playing with each other's money, and depends who's greedy, who gets out first, who takes profit first, and who gets left with the bag. All right. Alright, so this is all I have for today. Not much going on, so we're going to check back in tomorrow. Thanks for watching, guys. Link in the description below for any training courses. Oh, yeah, one more thing. If you want to decide, if you do the vault and you have less than 5,000, I say it'll make sense to do this. Now, if you have more than that, I think with the subscription on there, it would probably make more sense to do the subscription. You could change the strategy that you want. You can short. You can change this if you want to be a little more heavy on the front end. You want to make this linear so that you're not just putting a spread out one. You could probably put a little higher position, like maybe 1,000 each, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 instead of 500, 600, 1,003, 1,700. Just depending on your strategy, how comfortable you feel, you have that control with the DCA bot. Okay. Now, as far as the DCA bot goes, all right. So, yeah, I don't think you guys saw this tweet here. So let me kind of zoom in real quick on this comment from RT Monroe. Is it zooming in? Alt shift tab, shift one. Oh, all right. Well, anyways, that's it right there. Thanks for joining the vault, and I appreciate it. So give a shout out to RT Monroe, and let's look at over to the DCA bot here. Now this is the training that you're gonna see when you get in at dca.treebotsecrets.com. You'll be able to see the DCA tool, and once you get to that, you can set your settings the way you like. This is where you set the auto run option, and this is a paid option. You'll be able to set your biases long. You can set the distance accordingly. You want to spread them out 2% each, or you're going to spread them out a certain way. That's all good for you. You could trade other coins other than Bitcoin. This is all available to you. So other coins are more volatile, that needs more dollar cost average spread. Definitely go for it. And then you can also change the order type. Okay, you can change the price distance, and then once you get that all done, you save that with the 24-hour run, and it'll do it automatically for you every day. Otherwise, you're gonna have to hit this long and short. Now you could use this for free, but you're gonna have to manually hit the long and short depending what you want to do. Okay. Now, if anything, just start with your own manual order just to get a position started, and then these will refresh the rungs for you. Okay. All right, and I think that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll talk to you later. Bye.